This is Jaman from Future Division. Today I will be showing you how to use for loops in real life framework with our Selenium framework. Let's see guys what we can do. So now over here you see the home page. So from home page, if I select something, example here the short sleeves, so what will happen? And you can see here quantity. You can increase the quantity 1 2 3 4 5. So we don't want same element use multiple time to click this button plus or minus, so we can use the for loops for this. So let's see guys what's going to do. So for that we have to go back the home page. So we can select this one as a home page. When you click this one, it's taking the home page. So we take this button or this logo as a home page. So let's find out the XPath. So I'm going to use this one. Cool. And right click, copy XPath. Okay, image. There's anything have I can use as a class? Yeah, they have class, so I'm going to use add. Okay, so I mean just make more modular. Sometime might be change anything, so it will not changes. Okay, so guys, so now this and this. Okay, cool here, and I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, I'm gonna move this stay. Cool. So we have a XPath for that. So let's go to our framework. So we're gonna create a under the controller one, right click, new Java class. So we're gonna give the name as a cart. Yes, okay. Okay, so now, so let's copy from something. This what is called saving time for Paste Factory. Good. And this should be cart page here. Cool. So now I have my Paste Factory things, and this is supposed to be extends skip base. Am I right? So if you want to use Java something. So now before that, now I have home page button. So I'm gonna use a find element. I find by XPath. XPath we copy and give web element name. What name this homepage button? Homepage button. Okay, so we have XPath for homepage button. So cool. Now what we need? So we want first of all go there, and after homepage we select this one. We are using for the homepage button, but we want to make sure before wherever you are, you have to be start beginning from the homepage. So example, if I go here and your next state start would be again from the homepage. So what you're gonna do? So you have to go back homepage. That's why we are selecting the first homepage. Click the homepage. So whatever you have no problem, click the homepage, then do your next step. So my next step should be so use the click the add card. So now guys, make sure that those are similar. Okay, so we want to use one XPath for all, or as much we can use. So that's why we now have to create like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 10 XPath. So we can use for one XPath for 10 or 5 or as much we can take it. So now let's see how we can do that. So in this case I can selecting here, make sure before that so if you can click from here, you can click from here or add card. So I, because of the name you can use, if you want to parameterize, try to click in the name. So uh, so the blouse. Okay, so now title, over here have title blouse. Good. So now if I say copy expert, cool. And if I copy expert, so let's do that. So we can keep first a have title, so we can use at cool this, and I need title. What is the title? This. Copy, this. See, I provide the title and it's selecting. So still the expert look like not for all. So how we can do not for all? So now let's delete, make some smaller. So we have a here, I'm gonna put the double slash, and there's a 2. I don't want 2, I want is open it, the list. I want whatever list have, take it. Okay, and delete, I believe I don't need div here anymore. Okay, so now it's selecting. What I did, I just use the make it smaller and use the, like, the parent, not child. So now what we can do, so we have blouse. I want to same expert to select this, only change the value of title. So let's see is really selecting or not. I want to make sure that our expert is so title is favorite t-shirt. So if I change this one to here, it should be selected. Boom, it's selecting these guys. You see, it's selecting this. So now that means our expert is now modular for reusable purpose. So we have expert now here. Let's go back to our code. So we have to create a one things. Okay, public void add card product. Okay, this is our things, because we are using our things as a, we want to parameterize, we want to do make sure that in our expert we can use the multiple purpose. So we have to parameterize. With at5 you cannot parameterize. What we have to do, we have to do here driver dot find element by expert. Okay, then I said here dot click. Am I right? So we have expert already created here. Copy this one. Before that, we have to make sure all single quotation, guys. I'm selecting this, and so now we have to do parameterize. We want to here put blouse, shirt, whatever you want. Okay, so how to do parameterize, hopefully remember. So now I'm gonna here double quotation, then I just say plus again, and all the end start with plus and double quotation. Okay, now this here we can use as a name as a product. Cool. So this product we don't have here. Why red color? Because we did not pass any string value. So we're gonna say here string product. So now this is for reusable purpose. So we don't have to like use same expert for over and over. Okay, just change the value. You will see guys within short time what will happening. So now we have add cast. So now we have for add cast for blouse. Cool. Now we want this button click multiple time. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we will select this image. I now I'm gonna go here. Okay, so now I'm gonna right click. Remember we should take this icon plus. So right click on the icon plus, copy the XPath. Okay, span icon. So we have a class here. We're gonna say add this and that. It's selecting. Let make some is shorter. I mean we don't want, and let's see what we can do here. Do we need this? Let's try to delete. Yeah, good, and keep that. I like to keep that. You know why? If you watch my previous video, you should know. So now I have my XPath. Am I right? So I'm gonna do it. Icon plus and okay, let's do it. So now over here I'm gonna use another method which is called product quantity plus. I can do plus minus same thing, so let's do it. Okay, product quantity plus or minus. So now let's do it as a modular. Okay, this expert 2. So at the same time we can done. So if you go here, a span high icon minus. So now let's see if I put the icon minus is working or not. Okay, cool, it's selecting. So now one XPath we can use for everything. Cool. Good. So now say product quantity. So we're gonna say public void public void, then we're gonna say product quantity, our product quantity. Okay, in this case, cool. So before the product quantity we need to use our for loops here, because we don't want to use like more than same method, same element more than one more time to use click or selecting. So now we need to use the for loops for that. So how we can do that? Simple things. Use your for loops things. I say for, cool, then I say int I equal 0. Okay, then I say statement close, then I say I less than. So we want to, let's do it later, just less than 10. Then I can tell this. Now I say I plus plus. Am I right? I plus plus, and inside this I want to put my condition. I put my condition. Now I said int I equal 10, start from the 10, and I has to be less than 10. So 0 count as a 1. Am I right? In Java, 0 29. So what will be 9 time will be select this element. What kind of which element you want? So I'm just now opening the element you want. So we have to make, this is modular. We have to make these things like more usable purpose. Okay, not like for one time. So these are for loops things we can use for reusable purpose. So what I can do, so quantity I don't want to hard code it here. I said quantity has to be like more reusable purpose. So whatever pass I want to pass in my test. So what I can say int, okay, I say int here, int quantity. So I want to make this one reusable purpose. Guys, just keep watching and think what I'm doing. Okay, so now this is not rocket science anything, we just use simple things. So I did not hard code it, I just use the usable purpose, that's why it's the quantity. So I'm going to pass in the quantity in the test, how much quantity I want to add. Okay, then what I did, we have to fix it things, we have to this element. So which element, we don't want the element provided here, then will be hard coded. I'm going to say web element. Okay, sorry, web element. So now I'm gonna say here element dot click. I say web element dot click. Element is not providing here, we will provide when we need these things. So now our XPath and code is ready. So now let's use this code in our main method, which is the add card with multiple quantity. Okay, so now I'm going to create public void add card with multiple quantity. Okay, thus we have a method here. Now I'm going to call first things, what we want to do, we want to click here, make sure it's going to the home page. Okay, we click here. So for that I already have expert here. I'm going to say there, cool, I say this dot click, done. What is the next thing? Next things, we want to click any product, which first think about the blouse. Okay, so now the blouse. So if you go here blouse, we're gonna click the blouse here. So now I'm just doing the value, so we can pass. I don't need now actually. So now now I need that product. So I'm gonna say add product, add product. Okay, in add product I have string product. So I don't want to pass here. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do here string product. So I'm gonna pass here. So I still keeping for reusable for testing purpose. Okay, so done. So now next, done this on next, we want to use the product quantity. Okay, so this product quantity asking for your product quantity, so which is the int. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say it again, int quantity. So I'm gonna say int quantity, okay, comma, then they're asking for what, quantity asking for expected web element. Okay, web element. So now you're asking for web element, which element I want to use. Am I right? So I want to use which element. So first quantity I want to use for what did I create this quantity? Oh, I did not actually put anything here for quantity clicks. So now I have to provide here. So now let's create another one method, uh, public void multiple add card. Okay, that's a multiple add card. Okay, so multiple add card we already have multiple add card because we're gonna do this one are reusable, so we cannot use that find by. Driver dot find element, then I can saying by XPath, sorry, by XPath over here. Okay, multiple add card. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, so I'm not using anything click right now. Okay, so now I have two things to do. So now, you know what, guys, for now I'm going to use actually one thing. Okay, so for now actually I'm use at find by because it's going to be more complicated for you guys now, learning same time everything. And find by XPath equal, so over here have my XPath, I want to plus, so I want to use the plus things, which is have here I plus icon plus. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, icon minus, I no need icon plus. So for now I am using for only plus. Okay, cool. I have this web element, uh, quantity plus. Okay, this is the name I provide here. So now over here I'm going to use, so I don't need anymore multiple add card this thing, so doing shortcut. So I'm going to use here product quantity, whatever quantity, and this. Okay, this one, oh, sorry, inside the bracket supposed to. Okay, so now the product quantity, for quantity, this quantity. Okay, and web element asking this element, so this element will be click, it has to be click, or how many times quantity I want 10 times, should be click 10 times. So that's it. So far our side is done over here, and let's create a test case for that. Oh, one mistake I did over here, I call the driver. So in page update model, if you want driver, you have to call one more time web driver. Okay, so now over here same thing, web driver, and in the product we call driver. Cool. So now let's create test cases. Then I have to create a one more package, new Java package, card page. Inside the package, create a new class, card test. Okay, all we have. So now, cool. Let's copy from some test cases something we have. We need this. Okay, we don't need the card paste, so this before, and we need extends skip base for extends skip base. Cool. So we have this, and now when I copy the test cases from there for saving time. Guys, I'm just saving time, so you guys don't copy it, write the code. Okay, so now I don't need this part, I'm going to use the card paste. So let's put here, so call the card paste class. Okay, cart paste, cart paste. Okay, so now calling this cart paste here, calling this here, driver cool. So now I want this cart paste call dot dot add cart with multiple, or let's see what we have, what I created, this one we have to call. Okay, so now go back and say dot this one. Okay, so now first asking for string of the product, which product you want, so comma, so string of the product, then asking quantity. Okay, the string of the product, so we want product of the blouse, am I right? We want the blouse. So let's see what blouse wrote here, the title, find out the blouse, make sure copy from here guys. Okay, copy from here whatever write on the dome. So now product blouse, now quantity I want to click same blouse 5 times, good, then comma, then asking for I think driver. Okay, driver, cool. So now our test is ready. So what will be happen, it will be our test, make sure guys, so I'm telling you, it will be click here, after click here they will go to the blouse. Okay, and then here 5 times, 5 times I said 5 times, it will be 6 times because Java is start from the 0, it will be start from this, will be click 6 times, so you will see 6 times over here. Okay, that's you will see. So now my what I go, this test driver is open already, so it's not going to close. So let's run the test, right click, run the test. So boom, open, click on page, click the blouse, quantity 6 times guys, you see here I start 6 times was added. How easy is it? Use the multiple, use the for loops for multiple quantity purpose. Yeah. So now you was talking. You can ask me why you use the home page button. Let's see why. Now my test is finished here. If I want, can you select the sleeves? There's any way you can use the sleeves? No. Whatever you have to use the this place again. Yeah. Click this place. So now we make our test case reusable. Okay, this is like very modular. You don't have to do anything, just copy the test cases. I did not change the name. Okay, sorry, I say verify add cart with quantity, am I right? Add cart, verify the blouse add cart with, okay, verify blouse product blouse add cart with quantity. Okay, so now I'm gonna change the name over here, not blouse. What product we need, we want here, okay brother, I want short sleeves. Okay, cool, no problem. Let's find out short sleeves, how we can do. So but make sure take the name from, not from here, I want from here, so now if I have short sleeves, okay, see here I have titles, I'm going to copy from here. Okay, fit title. Okay, now over here not blouse. Okay, short sleeves, same thing over here, not blouse, I can say it only sleeves. Okay, yes, sleeve. So now over here quantity 5, over here quantity I want 10, it should be 11. Okay, now let's see, run all tests from the class level. Okay, first it will be go to the blouse, just watch closely. Yeah, blouse, and 6 time go again, select quantity 11 time. Cool. See, if you want to do manually every day same thing, it's taking long time. But you do automation one time and just click one button is running quick, boom. So now we know how to use our Java functionality in our framework, Selenium framework. So we use the for loops, simple for loops. We did over here quantity, which is no, I can put here 10 hard coded. No, I want in test class how many product I want to mention my 10 test class. So what we can do, we can same method we can use for over and over. Okay, so that's we did. Over here web element, same thing, we can web element clear whatever we provide here quantity plus we can provide here. We did not provide here. What I did, I just put here, I just put here, we just use web element dot click, which is the element, this is the element. Okay, that's we did, so nothing else. So and we use the reusable purpose of product. Try to use the XPath and reusable it and parameterized. Okay, so then what happened? We don't have any hard coded things here. We use the parameterize and call in the test and pass value in the test. Now whatever you do, just copy paste and write the value, what value you want to pass. So that's it for guys. Today. Next video I will show you guys how to use drop down. Thank you so much for watching video. Feel free to comment, and if you like my video, please go to the Future IT Vision. Uh, Subscribe it in YouTube. If you like, press the like button. Feel free to comment. And if you need help, just put in the comment section your uh, comment or need help. I will be as soon as possible try to guide you. Thank you so much for your help.